Hello everyone and welcome to our video on blockchain basics, where we will explain the concepts of hashes with mining and Merkle trees. What is a hash? A hash is a unique digital fingerprint of data that is created using a mathematical algorithm. It is a one-way function that takes an input, in this case, a block of data, and produces a fixed-length string of characters that represent that data. What is mining? Mining is the process of adding new blocks to the blockchain. It is a competitive process where miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems to validate and verify transactions on the network. How does mining work? When a new block is created, it contains a list of transactions, a timestamp, and a unique digital signature called a hash. Miners compete to add the next block to the chain by solving a complex mathematical puzzle, known as the proof of work. The first miner to solve the puzzle and validate the transactions earns a reward in the form of cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin. The other miners then verify the solution and add the block to their copy of the blockchain. What is a Merkle tree? A Merkle tree is a data structure that is used to verify the integrity of data in the blockchain. It is named after its inventor, Ralph Merkle. A Merkle tree is built by hashing pairs of data together until only one hash remains, which is called the root hash. This root hash can then be used to verify the integrity of the entire tree. How does a Merkle tree work in the blockchain? In the blockchain, each block contains a list of transactions, which are hashed together to form a Merkle tree. The root hash of this tree is included in the header of the block, along with the timestamp and the hash of the previous block. When a new block is created, the miner must validate the transactions in the block by checking their Merkle root hash against the root hash in the header. This ensures that the transactions have not been tampered with and that they are valid. In conclusion, blockchain technology is a revolutionary way of storing and sharing data securely and transparently. The use of hashes with mining and Merkle trees ensures that the data on the blockchain is tamper-proof and trustworthy. Thank you for watching this video on blockchain basics. We hope that you have gained a better understanding of how the technology works and how it can be used in various industries.